If you want to change bitrate in CapCut, whether you're trying to reduce file size, improve export quality, or fine-tune a project for a specific platform, this is the exact tutorial for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and I'll also show you the custom bitrate options if you want more control over your export settings. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your CapCut project and get ready to export. You'll see a blue export button in the upper right-hand corner of the CapCut dashboard. You can click that button directly, or if you want a faster shortcut, you can press Ctrl and E on your keyboard. That will open the export panel right away. Once the export panel opens, look for the video exporting section. This is where CapCut keeps all of the main render settings for your final video. Inside that section, find the Bitrate tab. This is the setting that controls how much data is used to encode your video, which affects both quality and file size. Now click the drop-down menu next to Bitrate. By default, CapCut usually sets this to recommended. If you open the menu, you'll see a few different choices. Lower is best if you want to minimize the file size, especially if you're exporting a rough draft or something just for quick previewing. Recommended gives you CapCut's automated balance between quality and size, so this is a safe option for most users. Higher is better if you want a sharper export, especially for detailed visuals or fast motion, but keep in mind that it will increase the file size. And then there's Custom, which gives you the most control if you want to manually set the bitrate yourself. If you're just looking for the simplest answer, choose Lower, Recommended or Higher, depending on what your project needs. But if you want precision, go ahead and select Custom. Once Custom is enabled, CapCut should unlock additional controls. You may see an option to choose between CBR and VBR. CBR stands for Constant Bitrate, which keeps the bitrate steady throughout the export. VBR stands for Variable Bitrate, which adjusts the bitrate depending on the complexity of the footage. If your video has a lot of movement, detail, or changing scenes, VBR can be a smart choice. If you want more consistent encoding behavior, CBR may be the better option. After selecting CBR or VBR, look for the numerical input box. This is where you can type in your exact target bitrate value. For example, if you want 50 megabits per second for a high-fidelity export, you would enter 50,000. That gives you very specific control over how your video is rendered. Just remember that higher bitrate usually means better quality and a larger file size, while lower bitrate means a smaller file but potentially less detail. Before you export, take one last moment to double-check your settings. Make sure the bitrate option matches your goal, whether that's smaller files, better visual quality, or a custom professional export. Once everything looks good, click the blue Export button in the bottom right corner to render your file with the new bitrate settings. CapCut will process the video and create the final export based on the bitrate choice you made, and that's it. You now know how to change bitrate in CapCut, including how to use the default options and how to set a custom value for more advanced control. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.